Good morning, friends. This is Sri Archa from Crazy Money Tree. Today is 15th of January, and let's see what's happening in the market. What happened yesterday in the US market, Indian market, and the Europe market, and how this is going to affect us currently, and what is that we need to do, and how we need to actually look at the trading opportunities. So, if you are still not a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead, like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. So, let's get started, guys. Yesterday was an option expiry. I told you very clearly we will be between 14,500 to 600. That's exactly what happened yesterday. I was expecting it to close on the negative side, but it has actually closed on the positive side. Overall, actually, market is facing a congestion around 14,600 to 650 levels. So temporarily right now this is going to act as a very strong resistance at these levels. There could be lot of resistance which will face, and even the bank nifty is facing a lot of resistance at the higher level. As it reaches the all-time highs, the supply concerns are there, and it's not easy for the supplies to get over because people have waited for more than a year, and it's actually a lot of actually reversals we can see in many stocks, so which is raising more concerns for a um, fresh reversal can happen. The selling can happen at this stage, but at the same time bank nifty right now is showing some amount of reversal signs, but the confirmation is only when it starts going below 32,000, and we need to close there, and that is where actually probably a fresh reversal is possible. But until unless we don't actually break down 30,000 levels, probably still bounce backs are possible in bank nifty also. And for nifty, immediately 14,000 will act as a very important, 13,950, 14,000 will act as an immediate support, and before that also 14,300 there is a good gap support which is there. So there will be until unless we don't break 13,700, I think there will be a lot of actually bounce backs which can be expected in nifty. So but probably some sharp corrections are probably going to happen in the coming days. Next month is the is also this budget, and on top of that there are a lot of concerns now again of new lockdowns. China has actually imposed lockdowns in some cities, so all this actually affect of the lockdowns. We have to see how things are going to affect. Overall things are actually not that great, and now actually is where the reality check will start, because the result season has started, and IT is doing really well, so that was anyway expected. And after the results we are seeing some amount of profit booking happening in the IT sector also. We need to see will that actually lead to any kind of shorts also. As of now there's only profit booking we can see in the IT and the pharma sector, and even in the metal industry we can see a lot of profit booking which is happening, and auto sector is where actually it is very strong, and probably some profit booking got started recently from yesterday. So let's see how things are going to go. There are too many longs, so we are in a highly overbought situation, so corrections are possible. So be careful on any of the long positions. Fresh longs, as I've been telling you, keep actually looking for booking profits and keep moving out. As of now still shorts are only at stock specific. We will have opportunities, but looking at the way things are moving, very likely we should see some amount of good amount of selling which could happen in the market. So let's see how things are going to work, because what is happening even in the US market is the major stocks are actually not moving much. It's only the small stocks and the IPOs which are doing really well. If you look at the especially the Nasdaq or S&P or Dow Jones, all of them are quite flat to negative yesterday. It's only the small cap which has actually done good. So it's trying to hold on to the market, but once they also give out, I think there could be a good amount of selling which could happen in the market, and we need to be quite careful on that. And looks like actually we will start the day with flat to negative, looking at the way the futures are showing us. And as long as we are going to be in the range of 14,400 to 600 for some time. And now if it starts actually coming down, probably from the buy on dips we will get into the sell on rallies kind of a methodology. So be aware of that, because I have been telling you we are at a very high valuation, so corrections is possible, but only at the higher level, and lower level buying on dips can still continue. A lot of stocks are still available at good prices, and they may try to give you a movement, but the nifty stocks probably are going to get into more of a reversal mode. So that is something which you need to be aware of. So guys, let's look at what is happening in the commodity sector. In the commodity sector, gold, silver are trying to take some support, and probably they may be flat to positive, as they are looking at stimulus which can be actually initiated by Biden and all. So we need to see after the stimulus what is going to happen. And crude oil is actually trying to take some resistance at the top because of more and more lockdowns getting issued in many other countries. This is actually a fresh concern which is actually getting built up at this stage. And cryptocurrency, we are back almost nearby to the all-time highs for the Bitcoin. So this could act as there could be a double top which can get formed, so be very careful. This is a place for you to exit, not to actually enter. Don't actually enter this and actually get stuck very badly. Volatility has increased, which only suggests that this is going to continue, and that could actually only trigger the prices on the lower note, because the selling pressure is going to intensify from here. So the risky assets are going to become riskier from now, so that is where you need to actually be more careful. So that's why probably you need to actually look at stocks. You need to be very careful with that, because the bubble can burst any point of time. So guys, if you are liking the video, liking the content I am sharing in the video, please like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. If you are not a part of my Telegram channel, go and search for Crazy Money Victory and join the channel. And if you are not a part of my pro trading system, go and look for the playlist. The first day is given out for free, and you can look at the link in the description and join that program. Next week I am actually having on Monday, the whole program is getting started. Thank you very much guys, have a great and prosperous day.